Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making chocolate cake. Now let's start. For chocolate ganache I am using 200 grams of sweet chocolate and heat in microwave for 2 minutes. I am using 5 tablespoons of cream. Heat in microwave for 50 seconds. Mix well until well combined. Now it's ready. Set aside. In a bowl, place sifter. Add 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt. Now sift with sifter. Now mix well and set aside. In a bowl, add 5.5 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup caster sugar. Now bake until light and fluffy. Add 1 egg and beat for half minute. Again add 1 egg and beat for half minute. Add half quantity of dry mixture, 5 tablespoons of milk. Now beat until well combined. Add again dry mixture. Add again 5 tablespoons of milk, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now beat until well combined. Now it's ready. Using 5-inch mold, place butter paper and grease with oil. Pour batter into mold. Preheat your oven for 30 minutes and bake cake at 180 degree for 40 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, now we will check it's done. Take out and let it cool. Now run the knife around the edges and open and cut it from upper side. Now turn the side carefully. Now set the thread in the center of cake and pull. Add chocolate ganache and spread. Place cake. Add chocolate on top and sides. Now decorate with chocolate biscuito. Now your delicious chocolate cake is ready to eat. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.